I just realized my train got cancelled and I have a flight to catch. This is the most expensive haircut ever.
I'm losing my mind. I cannot do this anymore. You have got to come.
And I need to get through security with my scissors. She's flying me in just for a haircut. Luckily that worked out. Boarding
Gate
already
is
closed and I had to run. Made it onto the flight. The schedule extremely tight.
Alright folks, we made it into Switzerland. I'm in Geneva, one of the most expensive countries in the world. We're on such a tight schedule, but we're gonna see Natty and well, let's hope it all works out. Wow. We're gonna head over to the salon. You arranged the chair.
Yep.
But I have to be back in the airport in 2 hours. We'll see if we make it. And we're at the Rue de 31 Décembre.
Exactly.
Hey, I practiced. Here's the door. Should we try it?
Mm-hmm.
The keys are in there on the other side.
Nope.
Knock.
Luckily somebody was there and they opened the door for us. We were welcomed into this amazing salon. Nat flew me in.
And I refuse to have anyone else touch this.
We're here in this awesome salon.
Maison 26.
Thank you so much for having us. Merci beaucoup. Everybody speaks French. It's super hard. You ready for it?
Oh yeah, never been more ready in my life.
Let's go to work.
Yep. The blonde is gone. Hell yeah.
No way back.
Can you confirm how thick my hair is?
It is. It's insane.
Terrible. Unmanageable. Was it as bad as you imagined it?
Yes.
Was it worse?
Like this is quite drastic to do something about it, but it's cool.
Oh, I'm so pleased. That is so satisfying. Worth the wait though.
Yeah?
Absolutely. I already confirmed that, but I will not let my
again.
hair grow again. You know that's a cheese?
Yeah?
Okay. You have that?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah? It's French actually.
Yeah. La vache qui rit. One little blonde piece.
I can kind of see it and I'm like, oh, go away, go away. So satisfying to see the blonde go away though.
But there's still ever so slightly blonde left.
Oh yeah?
And just on the very mere tips. C'est incroyable.
C'est incroyable. C'est magnifique.
Ah oui, oui.
C'est parfait.
Très, très bien.
Très très bien.
Et je parlais français aussi. Oui.
Très bien, oui.
Un petit peu.
Tu veux dire le nom de la route?
Je ne comprends pas.
Ok, d'accord. Pas de souci. You learned to say the street name.
Yeah, rue de 31 décembre.
Rue du 31 décembre.
31 décembre. It's a street name.
Yeah, well done. So no one's ever flown you in before for a cut?
But this never happens.
You know, I'm an Aries. When I want something, I want it. Are buzz cuts your favorite to do?
No.
Oh no.
No.
Really?
No.
Damn, sorry. Sorry, not sorry.
I really like to do super short crops, which is kind of like the same sides and styles what we're doing now,
Yeah.
with a slightly longer top,
Okay.
where you can scissor it
Ah, yeah.
and really like, cut a shape into it. But there's more barbering or hairdressing involved than doing this, of course.
I know I'm destined to be a buzz cut girl. this is what it is. It's so satisfying. So good. It's like the before is the me that my mom likes, and this is the me I like. If you shave off my eyebrow, I swear to God.
What? Gonna try me? I'll be gone in an hour, so I don't care.
I'll come after you. I like my eyebrows. So worth it. Worth every penny.
The lighting is everywhere. That thing is massive.
That's what she said.
Hey! Woo! Now, how do you like it?
I should have known. I should have been prepared.
Tickles.
He's tickly. Got goosebumps and everything.
Ooh.
Ooh.
And you're just gonna use a teeny weeny bit? Mm-hmm. Rub it on
That smells good.
Because what it does, it keeps away all those little flyaways. Oh, dude, what? Voilà. C'est incroyable.
She's back.
Finally.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Nice.
I love that V shape like that. Ah, I didn't even tell you. Parfait.
Parfait.
Magnifique. That's satisfying. Look at
It
that.
is, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. We're done. What a cool change. Here's the before and the after. Yeah,
Happy
it's
girl.
Incredible.
So happy.
Oh, I always
It's
wanna do
perfect.
this.
Oh, do it again. Thank you so much.
Thank you for flying me in and for having this honor. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the cut. Leave a thumbs up. Everything. And I'll see you and who knows you in the next video.
Maybe?
Now it's a race back to the airport. Luckily I caught my flight. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.